India. Today's state focus paper, being an amalgamation of all the PLPs of the districts, will be useful not only for the banking sector, for setting up of the ACB targets, etc., but also for research purpose, wherein the potential as well as the constraints of the various sectors of the economy can be studied using the research done and documents presented by NABARD today. The state focus paper serves a very useful purpose, and that it brings out clearly the credit potential of the state. Going forward, of course, the biggest challenge would be that all the stakeholders, whether it's the government departments, whether it is the banks, whether it is the universities, agricultural department, all the stakeholders join hands and work towards achievement of the various targets emanating from the state focus paper. Kindly allow me to take this opportunity to reiterate RBI's stand and commitment towards initiatives for the priority sectors and financial inclusion, setting up of the CFLs or the Centers for Financial Literacy that have been opened in practically all the blocks of the state, closely monitoring credit flow to the MSME sector and building the capacity of both the lenders as well as the borrowers through periodic NAMCAPs as well as well-structured town hall meetings. So friends, today financial literacy is acknowledged as a fundamental skill that empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money, their investments, and their overall financial well-being. However, there exists a significant gender gap in financial literacy, and it is felt that women often have faced unique challenges in accessing financial education and services, particularly in a country like ours. Empowering women through financial literacy is not just a matter of education, it is a transformative force that drives economic independence, equality and growth. Recognizing this on 24th of February 2025, just beginning of this week, the Governor, Reserve Bank of India had launched the Financial Literacy Week with the theme Financial Inclusion, Women's Empowerment. Women's Prosperity, Vittiya Samajdari, Samriddha Nari. This initiative recognizes and reiterates RBI's commitment towards inclusive growth and particularly underlines the need for empowering women to enhance their participation in driving inclusive and sustained economic growth in the country. The women force contribute nearly 50% of the workforce, and if we recognize that this workforce needs to be financially empowered, it will take us a long way in achieving our milestones, our targets. The FL week may be for 1 week, but I request that this initiative not just be restricted to a 1 week timeline. On this momentous occasion of the launch of NABARD State Focus Paper, I would like to exhort all stakeholders, especially my banker friends, to make all-out efforts to achieve the objectives of the State Focus Paper by proactively endeavoring to achieve the various targets as laid down in the ACB of the districts and the state as flowing from the State Focus Paper. As CGM NABARD had said in his opening remarks, we can do and we will do. I'm sure the coming year will be evidence of this. I wish all the stakeholders all the very best. I thank NABARD for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts, and I congratulate NABARD for successfully launching the State Focus Paper. Thank you.